The Thief and the Ghost. There was once a farmer who had a little calf. He loved the calf, and gave it lots of green grass to eat. He also gave it ghee, chapatis and butter. So the calf became very plump. A thief saw the calf. "Oh, what a nice and plump calf," he thought. "I must steal it from the farmer." So he took a rope and set out at night. On the way he met someone with long and sharp teeth. He was yellow in color, and had eyes like fire. The thief got scared on seeing this person. "Who are you, sir?" he asked. The other said, "I am a ghost. Now you tell me who you are." The thief said, "I am a thief. I am going to the farmer's house to steal his calf." "Oh, good," said the ghost, "I am feeling hungry. I eat once in 3 days, and today is my day for eating. I shall eat the farmer and you can steal the calf." So the two went to the farmer's house. There they hid behind some bushes. When the farmer was asleep, the ghost started forward saying, "Now is the time to eat him." But the thief saw him and said, "My dear sir, this is not right. You must not eat the farmer till I have stolen the calf." The ghost replied, "The calf will make a noise when you tie him with the rope. The farmer will wake up, and I shall not be able to eat him. So wait till I have eaten the sleeping farmer." "Oh no," said the thief. "The farmer will wake up when you bite him. He will not let me steal the calf." So they argued, each crying, "Me first. Me first." And the noise woke up the farmer. The thief said, "Farmer, this is a ghost who wants to eat you." And the ghost said, "Farmer, this is a thief. He wants to steal your calf." The farmer stood up. He recited a magic spell. The ghost at once ran away in fear. The farmer took a stick. He gave the thief a good beating. The thief too ran away in fear of his life. The farmer then happily went back to sleep. The ghost vanished and the thief ran away. Thanks for watching.